Today we're gonna take a look at a good add-on for Blender that can help you bump up the quality of your work due to its easy to use interface and a huge collection of assets right at your fingertips, making the process of creating vegetation in Blender easier and faster. This add-on is considered a nice solution for ArcViz and CG artists who need to create photorealistic lawns, grasslands, fields, foliage, and different types of vegetation in their scenes. Grassblade's major features. This add-on offers a very simple workflow for grass creation process. It allows you to choose both the emitter object and the grass type you want to incorporate in your scene. The add-on will load the particle systems for you and set up everything automatically. Each biome you add to the scene will be added in a layered fashion. Each layer can be customized and you can choose its density, scale, rotation, and so on. One of the most important helpful features is having easy access to Vertex Weight Paint tool to paint exactly where you want to put the grass on the scene or even where you don't want it to be. However, this is only viable if the object you want to paint has Vertex Paint. The shaders and materials are also extremely customizable. All the controls you need are grouped in one node group with all the material controls you will ever need, such as season, color variation, translucent value, roughness, and so on. And thanks to Grassblade's amazing workflow, you can stack as many layers as you want while retaining full control over each one of them. The detailed adaptive assets work well with both Cycles and Eevee, and there are different pre-made biomes which will generate grass formations automatically for you. For example, if you choose flower pattern number 1, this will add 3 layers to the scene with red, yellow, and white flowers. Grassblade gives you over 400 assets from grass, drylands, fields, flowers, pebbles, rocky grounds, and so on, and all of them are great and straight out of the box. In addition to that, its flexibility lets you customize the grass even further. For example, you can adjust the height, size, randomness, colors, seasons, etc. And with more than 140 different biomes, creating grass in Blender can become very easy. Another awesome feature that Grassblade offers is proxy objects. We all know that working with foliage scenes is very heavy and slows down the viewport. It also requires a lot of computing power. So the solution is to replace everything with low poly proxy placeholders. These objects will not show in the final render because they are just there to optimize the performance when working on heavy scenes. But when rendering, you will get the full resolution of these objects. So if you are an ArcViz artist or even a VFX artist, this add-on is for you. From its super realistic and detailed assets to the amount of control you're gonna have, the add-on will save you a lot of time and hassle creating foliage for your projects. Grassblade offers 2 versions. You can choose from the Pro version with full access to all biomes and a light version with only 56 biomes. You can find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.